Hi everyone. Today in this video tutorial I am going to start working on a sensor that is SI7006-A20. Proceeding in this video tutorial I will be overlooking the sensor's features, specifications, working environments, applications and a lot more. So for that go to CONTROLEVERYTHING.com and here search for this sensor. So this sensor is a humidity and temperature sensor. These are some of its features. It can be purchased from this very site. Today I will be interfacing this sensor SI7006-A20 with an Arduino Nano. So for that I require a code. So go to resource tab and here is our Arduino code sample. Click on this code sample and you can download this code from here. You can also download this code from our GitHub repository, that is CONTROLEVERYTHING Now we require our hardware connections part. So for that let's proceed further. For the hardware connections we require an Arduino Nano, so which you are able to see on my screen, and this is an I2C shield for the Nano. This is available on our website CONTROLEVERYTHING.com, and the usefulness of this shield is to make connections with other I2C devices very easy. So gently place over the Arduino Nano over the I2C shield like this. Now we require our sensor, that is SI7006-A20, and this is a humidity and temperature sensor, and this is a connecting cable. Make the connection of the cable and the sensor like this, and while making this connection please make sure that the brown wire of the cable should be connected to the ground terminal of the sensor, and same fact goes for the I2C shield. Now to power up our Arduino Nano we require a mini USB cable just like this, and gently insert it over here. So we are done with our hardware connections. Let's see how our Arduino code is. Now let's have a look over the interface of our sensor and Arduino Nano. So for that go to GITHUB.com and here search for CONTROLEVERYTHING which you are able to see on my screen. Now get back and search for the sensor, and this is our required sensor. This is our Arduino code. Let's have a look over the instructions first. We have to download and install Arduino software ID on our local machine, and this Arduino link will help us to install Arduino step by step. So have a closer look on this link. Now get back to the code, and here is our code with .ino extension. First of all, we have included wire.h library and defined the address of our sensor, that is 0x40. In the void setup function, we have initialized serial communication with baud rate equal to 9600, and we have started the I2C transmission, and here we have stopped it. Now in the void loop function, we have humidity measurement command no hold master, which is 0xf5 we have written here. We have requested and read 2 bytes of data here for the humidity, and the conversion part for humidity is according to the formulas described in the data sheet for the sensor. Now similarly, following the procedure, we have our temperature measurement command no hold master mode, which is 0xf3, and we have requested and read 2 bytes of temperature data. Here we have converted the temperature data using the formulas given in the data sheet. At the bottom of our code, we have our output data printed on the serial monitor in the form of relative humidity, which is in %RH, along with temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. So this is how our codes look like. Let's have a look how it works. Coming to the working part, first of all copy this entire Arduino code and open the Arduino terminal. Paste the entire code and save it. And now verify and compile the code. It's done, and now upload the Arduino code. It's done. Now open up the serial monitor to see the results, and we have our results in form of relative humidity along with temperature. Now when I press my finger, there is a change in relative humidity and temperature, as you can notice. Now again doing that, temperature and relative humidity changes. So this is how our code works. Now let's proceed further. We have just seen the working of sensor SI7006 SI7006-A20, which is a humidity and temperature sensor. It's a monolithic CMOS IC integrating humidity and temperature sensor elements, an analog to digital converter, signal processing, calibration data, and I2C interface. The patented use of industry standard low K polymeric dielectric for sensing humidity enables the construction of low power monolithic CMOS sensors ICs with low drift and hysteresis and excellent long-term stability. The SI7006-A20 offers an accurate, low-power, factory-calibrated digital solution ideal for measuring humidity dew point and temperature in applications ranging from HVAC, thermostats, respiratory therapies, and asset tracking industrial consumer platforms. So this is how it works and its features and its applications. The sensor can be purchased from our website CONTROLEVERYTHING.com, and the code is available on the same site. You can also download the code from our GitHub repository, that is CONTROLEVERYTHING For further queries, you can reach us on CONTROLEVERYTHING.com, and be sure to post your comments on our community page. For more blogs and articles like this, you can reach us on Instructables.com, and to subscribe more video tutorials like this, go to our YouTube channel. In the end, you have a very good day and thanks for watching.